In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to multi-stream on Twitch and Kick account at the same time from mobile device. So all you have to need, first of all, on your mobile, open a browser and you have to log into your Kick account, and in a different tab, you have to log into your Twitch account. Now open a new tab and just come to this website, restream.io. This is a popular website for multi-streaming. So once you're in this website, you can just tap on sign up for free, or you can tap on continue with Google. And then I'm just selecting my Google account to sign in. Once you successfully signed in, you get this interface. Here, tap on this menu at the top right, tap on channels, tap on add channels, and from this channel list, you have to find out Twitch and Kick. Then just tap on Twitch to connect your Twitch account with Restream, and tap on Kick to connect your Kick account with Restream. Once you successfully connected Twitch and Kick, now tap on create new stream. Here select Restream Studio, or if you want to stream your pre-recorded video, then you have to select this video or playlist option. So in my case, I'm selecting Restream Studio, and this is Restream Studio. Here you can just select your camera, you can turn on or off your microphone, and if you want, you can add more scene by tapping on add scene, and here you can select media scene or camera scene. So go ahead and select your scene. So in my case, I'm just showing my camera, as you can see. Now tap on this channel, and from this channel list, you have to turn on Twitch and your Kick. Once you successfully turn on Twitch and Kick, tap on this cross button, and we can see my Kick and Twitch successfully added at the top right corner. Now I'm just tapping on go live. Once the live stream successfully started, I'm going to my Twitch profile page and just reloading my profile. And here, as you can see, my live video successfully started on my Twitch, and then I'm going back to my Kick, tapping on my profile photo, going to channel, and here we can see the live streaming also showing on my Kick account. So this is how we can actually multi-stream on Kick and Twitch at the same time on mobile. And to stop your live streaming, go back to Restream Studio dashboard, and here you can just tap on end stream to stop your live streaming.